Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank Miss Lily as the lecturer who teacher qualitative research course. And I want to say thanks to my friend who have watching my video. I'm Fitri Aryani with NPM 210400050. And this video, I want to present my proposal with the title Teacher Perception of textbook as less effective in the digital era in teaching English. In chapter 1 about introduction, there are several points. The first point, background of study. Textbooks function as reference material, evaluation material, tool for students, and determinants of teaching method and technique to be used. Lovisia Arini 2020. The use of textbooks when carrying out learning is also a foundation for teacher and student in supporting the continuity of learning in the classroom, especially when teaching English. Textbook can help students improve their understanding when studying learning material. But in reality, textbooks are considered less effective in this digital era. Based on the explanation above, the researcher is motivated to conduct research related to teacher perception of the use of textbook as a learning media in the digital era in teaching English with qualitative research method. Therefore, the research will conduct a study with title Teacher Perception of Textbooks as Less Effective in the Digital Era in Teaching English. On the next, identification of the problem. Identification of the problem based on the research background. The problem of the study were identified as follows. The first, teacher awareness in understanding the perception of textbook use is still lacking. And the next, textbooks are considered less effective in the digital era. And number 3, some factors that influence teacher perception of textbook use. And the last, teacher and student face obstacles when using textbook during learning. And the next, C, limitation of the problem. Limitation of the problem. After identifying the problem above, many problems we found in this study. Therefore, research need to limit the existing problem. Researchers need to focus on teacher perception of textbook as less effective in the digital era in teaching English. And the next research question. The research question is how teacher perception of textbook as less effective in the digital era in teaching English. And the next, the purpose of the study. The purpose of study is to find out teacher perception of textbook as less effective in the digital era in teaching English. Okay, the next chapter 2, literature review. The first definition of perception. Perception is a process that comes from outside or stimulus that enter and is organized into the individual body. so that it can produce a conclusion from the environment or object observed. And the next textbook. Textbooks are learning resources complete based on curriculum that aim to help teacher and student in sporting learning activities. And the next number C, refers related studies. The first thesis is from Pamungkas 2020. Sultan Tata Saifuddin, State Islamic University Jambi. The title is Teacher Perception of the Use of Technology in Teaching English at Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 1 Muara Jambi. And the second thesis is from Jannah 2019 of Arini State Islamic University Darussalam Banda Aceh. The title is Teacher Perception of the Use of English Textbook in English Language Teaching. In English Language Teaching, descriptive study of EFL teacher at Mantri Banda Aceh City. Okay, the next chapter 3 about methodology. The first, research design. This research will be conducting by research using qualitative method. Qualitative research is a research method that is carried out by investigating, exploring, and examining the problems that occur in research arena 2021. The next research subject. In this study, the researcher will select some teacher of SMK Ceksa Pasaman as a participant. The teacher taught English in grades 10, 11, and 12. And the next, data collection. Data collection technique. In collecting data, the researcher will use interview and observation technique to obtain in-depth information related to teacher perception of the ineffectiveness of using English textbook in teaching in the digital era. And the next, about instrument. The research instrument is a data collection tool needed in a study that is made according to the objectives and theories. Sukandra at Atmaja 2022. The key instrument of this research is the research herself. And the next, analysis techniques. Analysis technique. After the research collecting data using reading, listening, note-taking technique, and the research can analyze the data. Data analysis used in this research use the narrative analysis. According to Webster and Metrova, narrative is a research method in the social science. Okay, that's what I confirm from my proposal. Thank you all. Sorry if there are any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.